Best mechanical keyboards provide tactile feedback, durability, and precision, enhancing typing and gaming performance. NY Today's video is about top 5 best mechanical keyboards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at RK Royal Kludge Mechanical Keyboards. The big features: mechanical keyboard combines functionality, customization, and premium build quality in a compact design. Its small screen can display everything from custom GIFs and dates to battery status, connection mode, and Win/Mac layouts, keeping essential info right at your fingertips. The versatile knob design allows easy adjustments for volume, backlight brightness, RGB color/mode, and connection settings with a simple twist or click. Connectivity options are flexible, supporting Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless via dongle, or USB-C wired mode, ensuring seamless use across multiple devices. Designed with gamers and typists in mind, the top mount layout provides superior tactile feedback and consistent key feel, while sound-absorbing features, including IXP switch dampener pads, silicone layers, and thick foams, reduce noise by up to 40% and eliminate hollow sounds, delivering a satisfying creamy or thocky typing. Experience. Hot-Swappable PCB allows easy switch replacement without soldering, and double-shot PBT keycaps offer long-lasting durability with fade-resistant legends. Overall, this keyboard offers performance, customization, and durability for both productivity and gaming enthusiasts. Now our second product is Redragon Mechanical Keyboards. The Redragon Hot-Swappable Mechanical Keyboard offers a perfect blend of customization, performance, and aesthetics. Featuring hot-swappable red switches compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin types, it delivers quiet, smooth linear key presses with minimal resistance, ideal for both typing and gaming. The included 3.5mm sound-absorbing foam ensures clear, crisp feedback without hollow or distracting noises. With a full-size 108-key layout, including 104 anti-ghosting keys plus 4 extra shortcut keys, it allows multiple simultaneous key presses and enhanced productivity. The vibrant RGB lighting features 19 preset modes, adjustable brightness and speed, and an immersive music sync mode that turns your desktop into a mini light show. Ergonomics are considered with 2-stage adjustable feet for wrist comfort and 3-color mixed keycaps for a customizable, playful look. Additionally, the keyboard is software compatible, allowing users to create custom lighting effects, key macros, and shortcuts for gaming or work. Overall, this keyboard combines performance, versatility, and style, making it an excellent choice for gamers and typists alike. Our third product is AULA Mechanical Keyboards. The F99 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is a versatile and high-performance keyboard designed for work, study, and gaming. It supports 3 connection modes: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB wired, allowing seamless switching between up to 5 devices with simple FN key combinations, making it ideal for multitasking across multiple screens. Featuring a hot-swappable design, users can easily replace 3-pin or 5-pin switches and keycaps without soldering. Preloop linear switches provide smooth, responsive keystrokes with satisfying typing sound, perfect for fast-paced gaming or prolonged work sessions. The keyboard's gasket structure and PCB single-key slotting, combined with extended silicone pads and 5 layers of sound-absorbing foam, reduce noise and enhance stability, giving a soft and solid typing experience. The compact 96 layout includes 99 keys, PBT double-shot keycaps, and a built-in 8000 mAh battery for long-lasting use. With 16 RGB lighting effects, customizable macros, N-key rollover, and music rhythm lighting, the F99 offers both style and functionality for gamers and professionals alike. Now number 4, AULA Mechanical Keyboards. The AULA S99 Wireless Gaming Keyboard combines style, functionality, and versatility for gamers and professionals alike. With full key macro customization, users can record and program complex commands into a single key, giving an edge in fast-paced games and boosting workflow efficiency. The purple membrane switches provide a satisfying tactile feel while maintaining a quiet typing experience. Connectivity is flexible with Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired modes, allowing seamless switching between devices. The dual-mode rotary knob makes adjusting volume, audio, and lighting effects effortless, while 3 programmable shortcut keys, M1/M2/M3, add further convenience. Its ergonomic 96 layout retains the numeric keypad while saving desktop space. The foldable 2-stage stand enables adjustable typing angles, reducing wrist strain for comfortable extended use. While it is a membrane keyboard and does not support hot swapping, its robust build and retro-modern design provide reliability and aesthetic appeal, compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, and backed by a 1-year after-sales service. The AULA S99 ensures smooth performance and peace of mind for all users. And our last choice is Redragon Mechanical Keyboards. The upgraded Hot-Swappable Mechanical Keyboard is a perfect combination of performance, customization, and durability. Featuring 5 programmable macro keys, G1 and G5, users can easily record and edit macros on the fly without any additional software, allowing for personalized commands and a stylish, efficient workflow or gaming setup. Dedicated multimedia controls, along with a volume and backlight adjustment wheel, make it easy to play, pause, skip music, or adjust brightness without interrupting gameplay, providing both convenience and flair. The upgraded hot swap socket supports nearly all 3-pin and 5-pin switches, making switch replacement easier, more stable, and fully customizable. Built for longevity, it has been tested for 50 million keystrokes, features 60G actuation force, and a 2.3mm short travel for a responsive and satisfying typing experience. Double-shot injection molded keycaps are waterproof, dust-resistant, and fade-proof, ensuring long-term use with 18 RGB backlight modes, adjustable brightness, customizable key colors, and 5 side-edge lighting modes. This keyboard is perfect for gamers and enthusiasts seeking both functionality and eye-catching design. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.